Hello guys, and today I'm going to eat something called peas with leeks and pancetta, okay? Now this is a microwave meal, and when I bought this on the 20th of April, it's now the 23rd of April. So it expired on the 20th, you can see there, it's got the expiry date of, just a minute, of the 20th of April. It's currently the 23rd of April. I've taken the sleeve out. It says peas, leek and pancetta in a herb dressing. This is from the Tesco Finest range, which is the expensive range. But because it was due to expire at the end of the day when I bought it, and it has now expired officially, I bought it for 26p rather than £2.60. This is what it looks like before it goes in the microwave. Like most microwave meals, you get a fork and you simply prod it so that you have some holes in it. Pancetta is basically, I think, chopped bacon. So I'm now going to put this in the microwave and then I'm going to eat it. Okay? Right guys, it's just come out of the microwave and I've left it for approximately 2 minutes. You'll see this is what it looks like once it's come out of the microwave. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the plastic film off. So try and peel the plastic film off. Now that I've peeled the plastic film off, I'll try and show you it more. More of it. And now it tells you you've got to stir it, so I'm going to use a fork just for all of this. Just going to stir it all with a fork. Right, they tell you to. And I believe it's pretty much what it says it is. So here you've got the pieces of leek. Looks like they've all chopped up. This is another bit of leek. The rest of it is literally just peas, like that. And this is, I believe, the chopped up bacon that they call pancetta, okay? So, there you go. And now, I'm going to eat it, okay? Right, now. Wait a minute. Right, now. I believe they must have put some sort of extra sauce in. I don't know what they've done. I'm looking at the ingredients here. Now they've also added garlic, black pepper, cinnamon, mace, clove, nutmeg, coriander seed, Oh, wait a minute. It's always got to do with anything. Yep, vanilla powder, rapeseed oil, virgin olive oil, mint, parsley and salt. Wow, so they've added quite a bit more than I would have thought, to be honest. I thought it tasted a bit strange. I don't taste, I thought it could taste some mint in it, which I was a bit baffled about originally. Now, over here, people usually have mint with lamb, okay? I've decided to put it in this meal, okay? I said, I think it's because of the mint, to be honest. There's more flavouring to this than I would have thought, because I thought this was going to be a very basic, simple meal. But the leek definitely makes it taste much more juicy. And the peas also taste juicy as well, because earlier I cooked something for my mum having peas, and she complained about something. Maybe I didn't have the peas on a high enough temperature for once, I don't know. And so these peas seem a lot more juicy than the peas she complained about, but maybe I forgot once to put them on a high enough temperature, or maybe sometimes it's because it's getting warmer here. And sometimes that means that the cooker doesn't go heat as high. Because over here in my house we use electric cookers with thermostats, okay? So I mean, it looks fairly simple. It's simply, you know, the peas and teeny bits of pancetta. There doesn't look like a lot of pancetta in here, so well, there is some bits of pancetta. There truthfully isn't an awful lot of it. It is mostly just peas and leek, to be totally honest. So if you want to eat quite a lot of meat, I think you'll be disappointed, truthfully. Do I think this is worth £2.60? Truthfully, no. Simply because it's quite easy to get cheap peas. For some reason, I don't understand, looks like some brown on that pea. I don't know why. Anyway. And it's also cheap to get leeks, so unless somebody was absolutely desperate to have it done in the microwave, because that's all I've got, then, in my opinion, it's grossly overpriced for what it is. But, especially as there's not a lot of pancetta. But, if you're desperate to have it in the microwave, it does taste quite nice, to be honest, okay? But just isn't enough pancetta, in my opinion. Is it worth it for 26p, which is what I actually paid? Definitely. Truthfully, easily. Okay? I mean, I want to try and find things to say about this, but I can't because it's such a simple meal, you know? Yes, I put some herbs and some sort of juicy stuff over it. I'm trying to find... They claim it's smoked pancetta, which they claim is made up of pork belly, salt, antioxidant, which they say is sodium ascorbate, preserve, and there's some also so I gave you various other things that are in pancetta as well. So there you go. Most of it I've already eaten now, so there's not much left now. And putting mint and parsley in was a surprise for me, truthfully. That was a huge surprise. I did not expect them to do that. And fairness, I didn't look at the back, to be honest. I didn't look at the ingredients. I just looked at, the title. Maybe I should do that sometime. Maybe I could cook some mint with some other meat. I don't know. I've only ever heard of mint being associated with lamb, to be honest, so that's why it was surprising for me. Okay, I believe I've finished it all now, so there you go. Peas with leeks and pancetta. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.